Hey y'all, welcome back to MathRescue. I'm Andre and I make content to take away the stress of learning math. In this video, we're going to use the continuously compounded interest formula to calculate an account balance. This way you can see what happens when growth is modeled as happening non-stop growth. Take a deep breath, we're going to slow this down, break it apart step by step, and make it feel super easy. Let's talk about it. Alright, so I've already made videos on the other two types of interest formulas. This is my final of the three videos, so there's three formulas. Simple interest, continuously compounding, which I'm doing right now, and then compound interest where it has a time frame, like quarterly or monthly. For the continuously compounded that we're looking at right now, it uses Euler's number. So this variable, it looks like a variable, it represents a constant, is Euler's number. It's almost like pi. It's an irrational number. And so, instead of saying 3.14, blah, 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 every single time, we just use the pi symbol. Same thing with this. Instead of saying, 2.71 or 2.72, blah, 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 we just use the E symbol representing Euler's number. So let's start using our formula. So the continuously compounding formula represents interest constantly accruing, constantly building. And we're able to accomplish that through Euler's number. Our variables here still largely mean the same thing they meant in the other formulas. P is going to be my starting principal. So in this case, it looks like it's the 1500. R is going to be my rate. So our rate is 5% interest, which we will convert to a decimal, so we can do our math with it. And then T stands for time, which looks like we have two different time frames here, 6 months and a year. All right, let me go ahead and plug into my formula. Oh, sorry, I forgot to explain A. A is going to be the ending amount of money. All right, so on both of these, we're solving for A. So let me go ahead and set that up. My principal is 1500 times E to the 0.05 power times T. And then T for this first part, because we have 6 months, it's half of a year. Time is always taken in terms of years. So we're going to go ahead and use 1/2 for our T value. From here, I'm going to go ahead and just plug this into the Desmos calculator, exactly how it looks here. And we end up getting $1,537.95. All right. Not bad for investing your money for 6 months. Let's go ahead and do the year scenario. So everything is going to be the same. The only difference here is now we're going to go ahead and invest for the full year. So the only thing I'm changing is my value for time. So here T equals the full year, so we'll just say 1. And again, I'm going to pop the yellow into my Desmos calculator. And when I do, we get that final dollar amount, $1,576.96. If you haven't seen the other two types of interest formulas, definitely head over to my channel and check those out as well. Watching all three back to back is kind of the best way to go about it, because you can kind of see what are all the formulas you need to know for this skill. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. I post videos regularly. My goal is to make you feel super confident in math. See you in the next one.